Good afternoon to all, especially my subscribers. Today is my 68th birthday, and I would like to share ideas why we celebrate our birthday. So our birthday is a special day for us because it's the day where we're in you're being part of your family. Once you are born, so your parents are happy with you. It's your first day you appear on earth. And your birthday, it is the time wherein you are to share, to celebrate, to share to people close to you, you care. And it is also, you thank, you will be thanking to these people who made you who you are now. And it is also the time wherein, it is that time wherein those people who you want to be closer with will be gathered among your, among the people close to you. So that's why you are to celebrate. The thanks to those people, old friends, and to gather people who want you to be closer. Okay. Now, I want to share, I think, dalawang famous quotations na lang or sa about birthdays. So, one maybe is by Mark Twain. Age is a case of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. So, age is a case of mind over matter, and if you don't mind, it doesn't matter. So, parang sinasabi na ang edad ay numero lang. So, kung mo lang intindi, it doesn't matter. Okay, kung masyadong, ay, ang tanda ko na. Huwag mo na isipin masyado yun. Hindi naman nagmamatter yan, numero lang yan. Okay, and the other one is, just remember, so this is by Charles Schulz. Just remember, once you are over the hill, you begin to pick up speed. Once you begin over the hill, just remember, once you're over the hill, you begin to pick up speed. Ibig sabihin, pag nakatungtong ka na sa taas ng bundok, mabilis ka na. So, kapag nagkaedad ka na, sabihin, you are learning from your experiences, then you use it as your weapon and madali ka na lang makapunta sa gusto mo. So, you begin to pick up speed. Ito ang isa, Bernard Baruch, no? Baruch. B-A-R-U-C-H. We grow neither better nor worse. As we get old, but more like ourselves. Okay? We grow neither better nor worse as we get old, but more like ourselves. So hindi ka napabuti, hindi ka napapasama as you get older, but more like ourselves. So kung ano ka ngayon, yun ang nagmamatter, yun ang importante. Hindi yung angat ka dati or mahirap ka dati. Hindi nagmamatter yun kung ano ka dati. What is ang mas importante kung ano ka ngayon. So, pagbutihin kung ano man ngayon, kung whatever you have now, you just enjoy it because that's who you are. So, accept the reality na ikaw yung ganun ka ngayon. So, walang dapat positive lang. So, I think that's what I'm going on to share with you on quotations about birthdays. And since my birthday, I hope the only request I can give, I want you to give to me is just be happy on my day today, or if you can, subscribe. Thank you.